Welcome back to Leeds Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how I clean my fridge. So this is my fridge, and today I'll just do the upper section of the fridge. I'll not do the freezer, so stay tuned. So if it's your very first time watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. So I'll start cleaning from the top shelf going downwards. I decided to take out everything from the fridge first because I thought that was the smartest thing to do instead of taking them out one shelf after the other. I just cleaned the shelf using regular liquid dish soap and then wiped it down using a dry cloth. Then dry paper napkin, and then lastly I went over with alcohol wipes or disinfectant wipes. I took out the fruit and vegetable section drawers and cleaned them with warm soapy water and then dried them before returning them back. Next, I took out the deli section, or where I saw the deli products like cheese and ham and bacon. Then I realized underneath it was very dirty. I then cleaned it with warm soapy water, rinsed it and returned it back. I then dried up every section with a dry napkin. Then I wiped everything using disinfectant wipes. Then I returned the drawers of the deli and the fruit and vegetable sections. I then returned everything in the fridge, starting from the milk, then with my butter, eggs, and everything else I organized well. I finished by cleaning the door section where I keep the condiments and then returned everything to where it belonged. So this is my after. I returned the milk and juice where it belonged, then the ginger and garlic and the potato salad, then the eggs and the leftover food that was there. Then I returned all the vegetables where they belong, in the vegetable and fruit section. Then on the glide and serve drawer, I returned, this is where I keep all my daily products like cheeses and sour cream and cream cheese and all my ham, bacon and mushrooms, and then my yogurts and everything else. So this is the after cleaning the fridge. So today I didn't do the freezer because I'd already recently done it. Then I did the doors. I returned everything to where it belongs. This is where I keep all my condiments. On the right side, I keep all my condiments, my wine, condiments like relish and mayo and mustard, blue cheese and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can like, share and comment so that I can know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell below so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye and God bless you.